Welcome to PackPal.pk sign-up tutorial. In order to sign up, first go to www.packpal.pk. Press the sign up button to the corner right. Now fill in the details. The fields marked with red asterisk are compulsory. Start by selecting from the drop-down, either if you are a buyer or a seller. Type in your full company name. Then select from the drop-down your primary business. Fill all the details carefully and correctly. Once the details are completed, click the Submit button. The submitted details will be live on the platform and visible to buyers to contact. Happy packaging with PackPal!